y'all? It's your girl Jay Searcy with Black Girls in Real Estate. It is a Saturday afternoon and we are on site right now. I said set, feels like a set because it's my life. But today we are here doing a major push to get this project done. This is a duplex that we've been working on here in Atlanta for a couple of months now, and we got all hands on deck. So for this next weekend, all we're doing is focusing on pushing this project and getting it done. That looks good. We gotta change that faucet. I hate that faucet. It's ugly. Listen, throw it away. As you guys know, real estate is one of those businesses. It has its ebbs and flows. You got some projects that come that are super easy and they just flow and do what they need to do. And then you got some projects where it takes a little bit more work. But we're about to get this one done. I'm ready to get this listed and onto the market, so tour with us. It is my joy and my pleasure to have you guys join me on my YouTube channel. I want to get more sisters, more women out here in the market doing this business. This business is a life-changing, income-changing. Y'all, it will change your whole mindset. You don't realize how strong you are until you get into your first flip and you start going through all of these different movements and changes and spending money in the business. But this is a business that I full-heartedly, hands down, believe can change you and the trajectory of your life and your families. It's the wealth building for me, right? It's the legacy, the generational wealth for me, baby. So make sure you guys get out here. We have a tour coming up, the She Owns It investing tour with me and my friend India. And we're gonna take more women outside and teach you guys how to get into fix and flip, BRRRRs, buy and hold. And we're giving you all the resources, how to get funding on the spot, how to find the properties, just places and spaces to help you guys be successful in this business. Make sure you check us out, Black Girls in Real Estate.